Hello students. Today's topic is querying and manipulating data using group by, having and order by. In this session, we will study group by clause. So let's see what is group by clause. A student group by clause is used to group rows that have the same values. It is always used in condition with the one or more aggregate function. Student, look at this table. Here, employee table with attribute ID, e-name, salary and department. They are working it. Now student, if you want to get the total salary of each department, so the result or output should be like this. That is, need to retrieve department wise total salary. How do we achieve this? By use of group by clause. We will get the same output. If you have do it manually, what will you do? आप कैसे करेंगे अगर manually करना हो तो? We will take sales record and then add the total salary. Now student, similarly you have to take each finance record and then add their salaries. That is, first group the record by department wise and then sum the salary columns across that group. The same way you will get the result by using group by clause. So here the syntax is select column 1, comma, column 2 up to column n, comma, aggregate functions of expression from table name where condition group by column 1, comma, column 2 up to column n. सो स्टूडेंट हम कह सकते हैं कि हम ग्रुप बाय क्लॉज का यूज़ डिफरेंट टाइप्स की रो की ग्रुपिंग करने के लिए करते हैं बट रो कैसी होनी चाहिए जिसमें सेम वैल्यूज़ हो ग्रुप बाय क्लॉज को एक एग्जांपल के थ्रू समझ लेते हैं नाउ लेट्स सी वन एग्जांपल डिस्प्ले total salary of employees in each department. Now student, here we have a table called employee which involve the details of employees with the departments. So our question is find the total salary of employee in each department. We have already learned total salary calculated by using aggregate functions. So we can write the query as select sum of salary from employee semicolon. So output will be student I don't want total salary. हमें क्या चाहिए total salary तो चाहिए but किस basis पर on the basis of department. So now select list we have to include department as well as the total salary. Now we can write the query as select department sum of salary from employee. हम यहाँ पर कह रहे हैं that you want department and total salary but you should also tell that you want to group by department, so we can write group by department. When you execute this query you can see that department names and the total salary of each department. Only one record for admin department, that is 40,000. Then for the finance department 30,000 plus 18,000, total 48,000. And for the sales department 23,000 plus 22,000, total 45,000. So this group by clause is used to group rows that have the same values. Also you have to notice one point. Here group by clause is applied to department column, so we can directly write a department column name here, all other column combined with aggregate function. Next question is display the highest paid and lowest paid salaries in each department. Student, here we need to use two functions, namely minimum function and maximum function. To find the highest salary, we can use max of salary which fix the highest value of the column and then employ group by department. And to find the lowest salary, we can use mean of salary which fix the lowest value. In the admin department, same value, but in the finance department, maximum is 30,000 and minimum is 18,000. Also in sales department, maximum is 23,000 and minimum is 22,000. Student final query is select department, comma maximum of salary, comma minimum of salary from employee group by department. After that, student, let's see the having clause. Having clause is used to filter the data whenever a group function is involved. तो स्टूडेंट हम हैविंग क्लॉज का कंपैरिजन वेयर क्लॉज से करते हैं और आपको कंपैरिजन में ही क्लियर हो जाएगा कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन वेयर एंड हैविंग। और हम हैविंग क्लॉज का यूज हमेशा डेटा को फिल्टर करने के लिए करते हैं। हैविंग क्लॉज का यूज ग्रुप फंक्शन के साथ में भी होता है। सो देखते हैं इसका पहला डिफरेंस, वेयर यूज टू पुट अ कंडीशन ऑन इंडिविजुअल रो। जब पर्टिकुलर एक इंडिविजुअल रो में हमको कंडीशन पुट करनी हो तो हम वेयर क्लॉज का यूज करते हैं। हैविंग ऑन अदर हैंड, हैविंग यूज टू पुट अ कंडीशन ऑन इंडिविजुअल कॉलम, मीन्स जब कॉलम की बात आएगी तब हम किसका यूज करेंगे, हैविंग का। Where can be used with select, insert and update statement, and having can only be used with select statement. Third, where not allowed to be used with aggregate functions, whereas having used to place condition on groups created by clause. So student, let's see one example जहाँ पर हम ग्रुप बाय के साथ में हैविंग भी यूज करेंगे। आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा कि हम हैविंग और ग्रुप बाय का एक साथ यूज कैसे करते हैं, कैसे डेटा को फिल्टर करते हैं। लेट्स सी वन एग्जांपल, display the departments whose total salary payment is more than 40,000. That means salary paid for particular department is more than 40,000. Now query is select department, comma sum of salary from employee group by department. It will return the total salary of each department. But our requirement is to find only the department which is paid more than 40,000. So we have to apply condition, that is having sum of salary greater than 40,000. Then we will get only two rows. Let's see, if I use where clause instead of having clause, if there is any where clause, we have to place it before group by clause. So here we can write where sum of salary greater than 40,000. When we execute this query, student, this is going to give an error because we can only use this having clause to check the condition with the aggregate functions. Student final query will be select department, comma sum of salary from employee group by department having sum of salary greater than 40,000. Now let's see the second example. Display the departments which are having more than one employee. Student, so we need to find the departments which are having more than one employee. First we can write select department, comma count star from employee group by department. सो स्टूडेंट इस क्वेरी की हेल्प से हम फैच कर पाएंगे कि पर्टिकुलर डिपार्टमेंट में कितने एम्प्लॉई हैं, बट हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है कि ऐसा डिपार्टमेंट फाइंड करना जिसमें एक से ज़्यादा एम्प्लॉय वर्क करते हो। सो इट शुड बी फाइनेंस एंड सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट। सो वी कैन यूज दिस हैविंग क्लॉज, हैविंग count of star greater than 1. So when you execute this query, you will get two rows, that is two department with number of employee more than 1. Next is order by. Student, order by clause is used to sort the result in ascending or descending order on the basis of one or more columns. मीन्स अगर हमें किसी गिवन क्वेरी का आउटपुट या जो रिजल्ट डिस्प्ले हो रहा है वो पर्टिकुलर एक ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना हो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एनी कॉलम, then we can use order by clause. Then syntax is select column list from table name where condition order by column names ASC oblique DESC. Student, here the where clause is optional. Now depending on the requirement we may have to use these two keywords ASC or DESC. That is, if the result is has to be ordered in ascending order, that is lowest value to highest value, then we will use ASC keyword. And the result has to be ordered in descending, that is highest value to lowest value, then we will use descending or DESC keyword. And student, also you don't use to any of these keywords. By default it will be in ascending order, that is increasing order. Let's see some example, then we can easily understand order by clause. Example number 1, display details of account number, customer name and loan amount sorted by loan amount. So the result would return in ascending order of loan amount. Let's see how we write a query. Now we have a table loan account with 6 attributes. So our question is display details of account number, customer name and loan amount sorted by loan amount. So we can write query as select account number, comma, customer name, loan amount from loan account order by loan amount. Here we not specify ascending or descending, so by default it will be sorted in ascending order, that is from lowest value to highest value. The same will be returned when you specify with ascending keyword ASC. We can check it here. Also, this is SQL Server treats null as the lowest value. Now next example is for descending order. Student, here instead of loan amount, just replacing customer name with descending keyword DESC. Okay, now we can say that output return in descending order of customer name. Also we can apply some condition. So we can change this query. We can add where clause between this and from order by. So where loan amount greater than or equal to 5 lakh. So the output is, now we have only 4 rows and this is the query, or we can say that answer for the first question is select account number, comma customer name, comma loan amount from loan account order by loan amount. सो स्टूडेंट हमें किसी भी आउटपुट को असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अगर अरेंज करना है तो हम ऑर्डर बाय क्लॉज का यूज़ करते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स रिमेंबर वन थिंग, ऑर्डर बाय क्लॉज में जब ऑर्डर चेंज होता है तो पर्टिकुलर पूरी एक रो का ऑर्डर चेंज होगा, एक कॉलम का ऑर्डर चेंज नहीं होगा. ओके.